Hey guys, I just spent the last hour cleaning out drawers in my kitchen and I should have showed you guys, but here's the results. So this is my silverware drawer with a knife and stuff that I use frequently. And then this one is a chaotic mess, but this has like a rolling pin, measuring cups, lemon squeezers, little gadgets, clips, scissors, my cutting board that I always use, and then in the back there's stuff that we don't use as often. So that's all in there. I know where to find everything. And now I got to tackle this one. This is a junk drawer. It's a catch-all. So I'm going to take this out completely, empty it, and go through it. Okay, guys, I got all the drawers done. Here's, like, that's a lot better. And then, like I said, this one's a little bit different again now. But I know where everything is. And then the silverware drawer looks good. So, all good. I'm happy with that little bit of progress for today. So tomorrow I'm not sure what the event will be. I think the next thing I go is this cart. I need to organize and see what I'm using and what we're not using. I'm in the mindset of decluttering my life right now. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm watching Christmas in July on Hallmark. And I'm heating up supper. So we're eating leftovers tonight. So that's what I'm up to right now. Okay, so I spent the afternoon cleaning in the kitchen, and we just had supper, and now I'm out for a walk with Odie because I'm trying to get back into walking, but I'm just taking 10-minute walks for right now, and then I'll work my way up to longer ones. Just because I've been out of it for so long, I gotta get back into it. So. And as you guys know, I've been having health issues, so it's hard getting back into it, but I figure if I take a nice 10-minute walk, then at least I will get into the habit of it again, and then I can go longer, right? Build up my stamina. So, I go see my doctor next Tuesday. I don't know if I told you about all the things that were going on. Yeah, I told you guys about that in the past, about how I was going out with Mike places and I was getting like faint and stuff. I think I did anyway. I felt like I was going to pass out a few times. I was getting faint and dizzy and everything. One day was the day that I went to the eye doctor, but I mean I had eye drops in my eyes that day. But anyway, I'm seeing my doctor on Tuesday, so. Odie, you're wrapped around me. Come around this way. He's wrapped around me. Okay, I'm going to go unwrap myself and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Okay, there, I fixed it. Yeah, when I was walking anywhere with Mike, if we'd walk to the grocery store and back, I was feeling dizzy and faint. And I thought it was the heat at first. But then I seen my doctor about it, and I was checking my heart rate and my blood pressure. My blood pressure was fine, but my heart rate was up in like the 130s. So, he put me on a heart medication. Metropoliol, I think it's called. I think it's a beta blocker. I didn't have a heart attack or anything, but my pulse. They noticed that a few times when I had my surgery too, when I had my appendix out, they said my pulse was really high, but they thought it just had to do with, just me being nervous about surgery. But anyway, my heart rate seems to be doing much better since he put me on that med. So that's why I'm starting to try to build my stamina back up for walking again. So take it one step at a time, basically. And hopefully I'll get back up to normal by the end of the summer. Odie's peeing again. I hope his buddy's out so he can play with his buddy and I can show you guys. He never went near this dog for 3 years. We thought they hated each other. And the dog's owner was out on the step one day and told me to let Odie come over, that Sully wouldn't hurt Odie. So I let him come over. As soon as Odie went over by Sully, Sully laid down and like submitted to Odie. So they've been friends ever since. So now I let Odie off the leash so they can play together. So I hope he's out so I can show you guys. Alright, as you guys know, I did a bunch of organizing in the kitchen. Now today I want to do this. So this is the before, and I'll show you the after. Alright guys, and this is the after. It's all organized. It looks a lot better. I know where everything is. So, there we go. This is all my dusting and lint roller stuff. These are rubber gloves, and I use these all the time. And then this is our glass cleaner. And these are some cleaners down here. I have more under the kitchen sink. And then Odie's poop bag, cat treats, Mike's puffer, just so they're at easy access. But now I'm going to put this back. Hey guys, Mike and I just finished having supper. I have kind of a weird outfit on today. Well, I guess it's not weird. I have this tank top on, and it's like tropical, but it has this orange color. So I put these orange shorts on with it. You know, trying to show angles. But I think it goes well. My mom was here earlier today. She brought me down a bag that had like some Bath and Body Works stuff in it. And, there was a dress in there, a red dress with white leaves, and it was brand new. I gotta put away right now, so I'm not gonna drag it back out. It still had the tags on it, so I tried that on. It fit, and literally like a bag of bras. Again, I'll wear used bras, but not used underwear. I have to draw a line somewhere. But yeah, so they're in great shape. It's a friend of the family. She lost a bunch of weight and the bras don't fit her. So now I have to try them on to see if they fit me. But I don't feel like doing that today because there's at least 20 bras, if not more there. And I don't feel like doing that right now in the heat. I think Kaylee's coming down in a little bit. Like I said, we just had supper. So I feel so bloated. I put on a bit of weight in my stomach, but I don't know. It might be just bloating. I'm very bloated lately. So yeah, I gotta go see my doctor, like I said, on the 29th, so we'll see. I have to start taking a prebiotic, too. He told me to do that, like, months ago, and I forgot to do it, so I'll have to get some prebiotics and start taking them and see if that helps with the bloating. It probably will. So, we shall see. It's very windy out there right now. Yeah, my mom showed up. My mother has a scooter. An electric scooter, and she showed up on that with Tim Hortons for us today, so someone's driving up the street fast. But anyway, I'm not up to much of anything. Kristen, my cousin, is coming home from New Brunswick today. We're having like a little, well, her mother and father are having like a little birthday family get-together for her on Saturday, so Mike and I will go up there for an hour or so. I think my aunt's going to pick us up, and then possibly my other aunt will drive us home. Now, Kristen's supposed to come and cut my hair and Mike's hair. I'm not getting it completely chopped off, but I don't remember if I told you guys this or if I just had it in my group chat. But I'm not getting it completely cut off, just like 3 or 4 inches off the bottom, just so it'll fit in my claw bows better. Right now, when I put it up in a claw bow, it looks crazy when the way it hangs down, because it's so fine and limp that I don't like the way it looks. So she'll cut a few inches off, but I still want to keep some length, just maybe right to here. I don't want to get it cut as short as I normally do, I don't think. But no, not yet anyway. I need to be able to put it up for the rest of the summer. So hopefully she comes to us to do that. I think she might be. And yeah, I don't know. I'm just chit-chatting with you guys right now. Just shooting the shit, basically. I think Kaylee's coming down in a little bit for like a couple of hours, so, because her parents got to go somewhere, so I think she's going to come hang out with us for a little while. What are you doing, Odie? You having a bath? Odie's here with me. What are you doing, buddy? He was outside with us earlier. Buddy, what you doing, buddy? It's too early to go for your walk yet because it's only 5:08. You can hear the dishes clinking out there. Daddy's just cleaning up the couple dishes that were there, because I use the air fryer and paper plates, so there's not much. Anyway, that's what we've been up to lately, so I'll touch base with you guys when something more exciting is happening. You're purring. He's purring. Yeah, comfy, all cuddled up to Daddy. Oh, big yawn. You can stay there, go sheepies. Go sheepies. Oh. Alright guys, I'm going to end this one off here. I forgot to end it yesterday. I hope you guys are doing well. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye everyone.